Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So this is our Cleome. I've been saving it for the seeds, so the pods are starting to turn yellow. That means the seeds are ready. So I want to go ahead and harvest them. I'll show you in a little bit how they look like. But this is a vegetable, it's an African vegetable. So the green leaves, I'll harvest those to eat, but the yellow leaves, these ones they're already too old. But the main reason I kept this plant was so that I can let it go to seed. So I'll be harvesting the seeds today. Okay, let's get that done. Okay, I'm done. These are the pods. I will leave them outside to dry out. The seeds look like, let me take a, they're very small. They're really small seeds. Look like this. So like this. And there are many seeds in there. So the green pods, the seeds right now look white. They're white or green. Yeah. See. Over time they should dry out and look, they should turn black like that. So anyway, I'll leave them outside. let them dry out. I don't know how much I'll get, but these are way too many anyway. This is just from one plant. So I'll keep an eye on them as they dry out, and we'll see what we get. And then these are the now the leaves. Spider plant. So these I'll go ahead and rinse, and I can go ahead and cook these. Okay. And I went ahead and chopped up the plant. So it was here. So here are the prunings. So I'll go ahead and put these in the compost. So next, in the spring, I'll throw some seeds in here, and we'll get some more Cleome in the spring. Okay, I'm done. I have way too many seeds, so I'll stop here. So these are the ones that I've harvested. And these ones that are still green, I'll let them be. These are way too many to be. Anyway, so go ahead and put them in this envelope. Okay, I'll stop this video right here. So these seeds, like I said before, I'll plant them in the spring, and we should have a crop by mid-spring or by early summer. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.